This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Summer Munyon. The ideal floor plan in a prime Hardin Valley location. This ranch home with split bedroom plan is complete with a bonus room upstairs. The living room boasts vaulted ceilings, gas fireplace and loads of natural light. Open floor plan is perfect for entertaining with a spacious kitchen and ample room for congregating. The entire yard is irrigated, professionally landscaped and flat, ready for pets and kids. You'll love the privacy of a cul-de-sac, excitement of the neighborhood pool, and proximity to highly ranked Hardin Valley schools. The bonus room offers a separate space for crafts, office, media, guests, or any hobbies. Bring your design ideas and get started on this clean, well-maintained home. For more information, review the details below or contact Summer Munyon at 865-966-1111.